Ustad forecast Loonie lifts amid oil gain. Trade deal hope Forex crunch. The Ustad forecast is currently influenced by rising oil prices amid anticipation of trade talks between China and the U.S. set for Saturday, which has bolstered the Canadian dollar, a currency sensitive to commodity prices. The potential resolution of the trade war could positively affect the global economic outlook and bolster oil demand, which in turn supports Canada's economy as a major oil exporter. However, concerns persist about weaker global growth and its impact on oil demand. Concurrently, the U.S. economy shows resilience with stronger than expected employment and business activity, reducing the likelihood of a Federal Reserve rate cut in June. Although traders are still betting on a rate cut in July if President Trump's trade policies continue to burden the economy. From a technical standpoint, Ustad has broken below the 1,3900 support level, indicating a weak bearish momentum as it struggles near the 30 SMA on the charts. There is a potential for Ustad to approach the 1,3800 support unless there is a reversal signaled by a break above the SMA. This would suggest a shift in bullish sentiment, although currently, the trend remains bearish as bears might maintain the downtrend unless the price action indicates otherwise by making higher highs and lows. America's largest real estate brokerages are fighting over private listings. The real estate industry in America is currently engaged in a heated debate over the practice of private real estate listings, where homes are first listed privately, accessible only to select consumers, instead of being publicly advertised on platforms like Zillow or Redfin. This method is often employed by prominent brokerages such as Compass, which promotes its Compass Private Exclusive strategy, allowing its listings to be shown exclusively to buyers represented by Compass agents before being shared on broader multiple listing services malls. Proponents argue that private listings offer sellers control over the marketing of their homes and cater to individuals who require privacy, such as celebrities. However, critics claim this practice is exclusionary and may erode consumer trust by limiting access to certain buyers, potentially leading to conflicts of interest within brokerages. Controversy has intensified following the landmark settlement by the National Association of Realtors (NAR), which has spurred discussions on the fairness and transparency of private listings. Ryan Schneider, CEO of Anywhere Real Estate, openly criticized private listings, arguing that broader transparency leads to better outcomes for sellers and buyers alike. Meanwhile, digital platforms Zillow and Redfin recently updated their rules to require listings be published to their platforms swiftly, complicating Compass's approach. Compass CEO Robert Reffkin stands by private listings, emphasizing that they are about responding to client needs and defending against the potential negative impact on sales price caused by public platforms' data disclosures. As the debate rages on, both sides continue to present their cases on how best to navigate the modern housing market. Bitcoin smashes through $100 as volume and momentum finally align. Bitcoin has spectacularly surged past the $100.0 mark, experiencing a significant uptick in trading volume and momentum, suggesting a robust bullish trend. This recent price action saw a daily close above this critical threshold, with trading volume nearly doubling the daily average, reinforcing the upward trajectory and signaling a potential rally toward the next resistance levels around $105.0 to $106.500. The weekly relative strength index RC surpassed 70 for the first time since March, indicating the beginning of what could be a longer-term rally, given this historically positive macro signal. Meanwhile, the stablecoin dominance dropped significantly, suggesting that funds might be channeled into other cryptocurrency sectors, particularly as Bitcoin dominance showed signs of money diversifying into altcoins. Additionally, the broader crypto market capitalization bounced back above the $3 trillion mark, with increased volume and RC levels, reflecting the momentum seen with Bitcoin. This resurgence also saw notable activity in altcoins, with Ethereum leading the pack with significant gains. Other altcoins have emerged from oversold conditions, printing strong reversal signals, and supporting the idea of an ongoing market-wide bullish rotation as traditional finance markets stabilized. Cryptocurrencies have gained traction, with increased volatility hinting at further price surges. Investors are advised to remain patient, as the rally cycle could still have much further to go. making it an attractive time to accumulate underperforming and undervalued digital assets while exercising caution to prevent overexposure during peak enthusiasm.